Where you from? Uncle Akhtar, Auntie Karen and Ali. Kiss.
Oh wow, at least you got some kisses.
Put it here, on the table.
How's my meat?
It's alright. Is it?
Don't eat. Get it.
I should turn it
Give it
off.
back, give it back.
Oh, is it soft?
Give it.
So I can come by the candle.
This cat is crazy.
Crazy. Yeah, I thought he's turning the car round. And before I went in the door, I turned around. I thought there's no car. He's not. So he's gone over and left me.
Listen, they left you in Hammersmith.
I probably would have liked to. I know one of them would.
Left you drinking the milkshake, staying there.
I don't think one would do it, but I don't think the other one would dare.
Other one is still dependent on you. Once I get my wife, then I'll leave you as well.
Yeah, typical.
Don't pull on myself and wife. He's so cheeky. He's been so cheeky these days. He's gonna get really hurt.
Oh, yeah.
What?
You're gonna get hurt real bad.
Yesterday he said,
Oh, yeah.
I hope the teamster doesn't get on my tree.
Look like Vajia. I said, I hope his children don't look like Vajia.
Yeah, he said that.
That's so rude. That's good.
And I just felt like killing him with anything.
But I wasn't insured.
Yeah.
Come on.
You want some tea? I just had a cup of tea.